Hi everyone, I'm Lina and I'm working at React GraphQL Academy. I'm here to explain to you today how our remote training works. First of all, let's start with a quick intro. We were working a lot to make our remote training look exactly like the in-person one, to make sure that your learning experience stays the same. That means you'll listen to the lecture first, then you'll do some pair programming. You'll have some one-on-one time with the coach. Remember, our teaching method is focused on learning by doing. The training proportion is 1/3 theory, 2/3 practice. That means you'll be working on the exercises that our coaches have prepared for you, and believe me, it will be challenging. So the only thing that changes for you is that you can do this training straight from your home. You can wear your comfortable clothing, sit at your favorite place. Isn't that awesome? By the way, if you are watching this video on YouTube, you can check the description to find our teaching method explained. If you're on the website right now, just go to the YouTube afterwards. Quick note, you can find the timestamps in the video description if you only need an answer to a specific question. Zoom and Slack are going to be our main tools on this training. We'll be using Slack for communications before and after each session. Also, you will remain a member of this channel after the training is finished. That means you'll be among the hundreds of front-end developers and dozens of the best coaches in the field, being able to gather together, ask questions, help each other, and much more. Zoom is great for video calls. It allows you to ask questions and communicate with all the other students on the training. Along with that, there is one really cool feature you'll love. It's called breakout rooms. It allows us to divide you into small groups, so you could do some pair programming, and if you need any help, you can easily invite a coach to your room. Isn't that great? There are two types of our training, full-time and a part-time. Full-time bootcamp lasts 6 working days. It consists of the fundamentals and advanced part, which could be purchased separately. Same thing with the part-time. You can buy the complete 5 weeks training or join just the fundamentals or advanced part. One session of a part-time lasts 3 hours. You might have a question, how can I prepare well? I guess that's one of the main concerns our students have, but don't you worry. We provide pre-learning materials to make sure all our students start off on the right foot. So right after you purchase your training, you will receive a welcome email with all the needed information inside. So how big is the group? We prefer to have small groups. Thus we usually have from 10 to 15 people in a group, making sure that everyone gets enough of attention. By the way, you can always ask me about the group size via the email. Here's the part you'll love. Right after the course completion, you will receive a certificate of attendance along with the after-course materials and 20% alumni discount for any future course we run. It works for you and even for your friends. Wanna try it before buying? Not a problem. You can attend 1 of our 3-hour trial sessions where you'll meet your coach, get a gist of how the training looks like, and make a decision afterwards. Let's sum up. React GraphQL Academy training is just the same as the in-person training, but you can join it from home. Experience stays the same. You'll be doing some pair programming. You'll have some one-on-one time with the coach, being able to ask any questions you have. And of course, remember, this training is hands-on. That means most of the time you will be coding. Isn't that what you were looking for? Hope you now have your answers, but if any questions left, just send me an email to hello@reactgraphql.academy and I will be really happy to help.